Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain Snapchat Plus features and how to use them. Let's start. With Snapchat Plus, you can change your custom app icon, so Snapchat looks different on your home screen. You also get chat wallpaper, which lets you personalize each conversation, along with a custom app theme to change the overall look of Snapchat. Snapchat Plus shows you a best friend indicator, so you know exactly who you interact with the most. You can also see story reach insights, which tell you how many people are viewing your stories. Another cool feature is post-view emoji reactions, which allow you to react to snaps even after viewing them. You also unlock different snap modes, giving you more control over how snaps behave. Snapchat Plus adds a cosmic Bitmoji, making your Bitmoji look premium and animated. You can also change your Bitmoji background for a more customized profile. There's also an AI creative tool, which helps generate creative content and ideas. Your profile will show a Snapchat Plus badge, letting others know you're a Plus subscriber. You can set a custom story expire time instead of the default 24 hours. The solar system feature shows where you rank in someone's best friends list. Snapchat Plus allows custom notification sounds, so alerts feel more personal. You get priority story replies, meaning your replies stand out more. With Story Boost, your stories can reach more people. You can also create a bio for my AI, giving it a custom personality. Another fun feature is my pet, AR, and home, where your Bitmoji and pet appear in augmented reality. You can replay snaps again, even after they expire. If you lose a streak, Snapchat Plus lets you restore snap streaks. You can also extend your best friends list, adding more people. AI also powers generative chat wallpapers and generative profile backgrounds, making your chats and profile look unique. You unlock the Home tab, which gives faster access to Plus features. Snapchat Plus lets you extend snap limits, so you can send longer snaps. You also get snap streak reminders, so you never forget to keep a streak alive. Features like Instant Streak and Snap Score Multiplier help boost your engagement faster. You can also change custom chat colors for different conversations. Snapchat Plus shows story timestamps, so you know exactly when someone viewed your story. You can use polls in chat to interact with friends. You'll get story view notifications, letting you know when someone watches your story. Plus, users get unlimited AI story replies. You can set a custom ringtone sound for Snapchat notifications. There's also a friends in chat indicator, so you know who's active. And finally, Snapchat Plus includes AI captions, which automatically generate captions for snaps. That's everything you get with Snapchat Plus. Thanks for watching.